2021 WRX. Before we get started, of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're going to start off just a quick walk around. Got your hood scoop here. Put your hand all the way through, wide open. Get the air into the intercooler. Pretty cool. Got your front looking good with the fog lights. Real nice. Got our 18-inch premium wheels because this is the 2021 Premium Edition. 245/40/18, course disc brakes, summer tires. Continue around. Pretty sharp and black, I gotta say. Of course, gotta keep it clean. See our reflection in this video, I'm sure. So, let's come around the back here, Robert, cameraman. Dual exhaust, looking nice. Let's check out the trunk space. Pretty good. Robert, climb in. Let's see if Robert's about 5 feet tall. You could definitely fit a few 5-foot tall kids in there, right?
Yeah.
No problem. All right, hop out. That's just an easy way to show the space. So it looks good. Definitely a lot of space. You could take this on a weekend vacation, no problem. Throw a couple suitcases, bags. Go ahead, you shut it, Robert. Thank you. All right, let's continue around. It's gonna be the same thing on this side. Looks good in black, right?
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna try to do this in one take. So let's open up the door. Let's check out the inside. Of course, we have Premium Edition all keyless. Keep it in your pocket. Sport bucket seats. Premium does not have leather, but they are very comfortable, very supportive. Good side bolstering. Standard mats. Gonna get some WeatherTech or something up in here. Aluminized pedal. Looking sporty. Sunroof. Just your basic sunroof. Nothing crazy. So we sit in here. Almost a rimless mirror. Pretty low profile though, so that looks cool. Well, let's give us a little start real quick. Oop, push the clutch in, sorry. Push the clutch in to start. Pretty cool. Got your center here, different displays. Lots of things you can customize in there. This is the button you use right here. Touchscreen, 7-inch. Does have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, of course, air condition, all your basic stuff. Gotta love having knobs still. Don't need to be pushing. Move over here. Heated seat buttons. Go in your glove box here. 2 USB ports and a 12-volt. Again, the passenger's sports seat. Leather. Makes it look a little fancier. Red accent stitching, pretty cool. Basic glove box, nothing crazy. Carbon trim. It's not real carbon, but looks just like it and looks cool, so we'll take it. That's your dash. Not highly customizable, but it's fine. Steering wheel, flat bottom, all your controls. Give it a little rev from the inside, see how it sounds. Okay, the turbo whistling a bit. Pretty cool. So yeah, this is a great little car. Let's I'm gonna have Robert hop in the back here. Before we do that though, don't forget, the only option you should be getting, 6-speed manual. None of that CVT automatic stuff. Gotta love it. I'll just turn this off for now. Let's walk around. This is the back seat. Again, Robert's 5 feet tall. Plenty of knee room, right?
Yep. More
than enough. And the seat's probably halfway back. It's not pulled up all the way. So if you needed to, you can definitely make a lot more room. Again, red accents on the seats back here. Seat's comfortable, Robert?
Yep.
Pretty good. All right, good. Again, just your basic cloth floor mats. One thing I do not like is cloth floor mats. Again, I'll be replacing those. So, all right, there's your quick walk around of the 2021 Subaru WRX Premium package. 6-speed manual. Looks really cool. Let's check under the hood real quick before we end this video. Here's your latch right here. Traction control. Trunk. Gas. Let's check it out and see what this hood scoop's all about. You can actually see underneath. Hold that. Thanks. Here's your latch is right under here. Push it over, it goes up. You got your nice hydraulics. Looking good. Your Subaru famous boxer engine, direct injected. I said brand spanking new. I think you might have 80 miles on the car. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but the scoop is all the way through. Definitely get the air in there. Tough to see, but yep, pretty cool. Fun to drive. Definitely peppy. It's not super duper fast, but you can definitely have fun in this car. The handling is outrageous. So we'll go ahead and end this video, but stay tuned for the next video where we do our first drive. Do driving impressions for the video. Do a couple accelerations. Not gonna go too crazy because we're still breaking the car in, but you get the idea and be able to hear the engine and everything. So all right, don't forget, like, subscribe, stay tuned for that next driving impression video.